Confused about whether to raise your chickens as free-range or cage-free? In this video, we'll break down the key differences between these two popular methods, including the benefits, challenges, and which option might be best for your chickens and your setup. Whether you're looking for happy, healthy hens or the most sustainable approach, we'll help you make an informed decision. Perfect for beginner and experienced chicken farmers alike. So, let's get started. Let's start with free-range. This method allows chickens to roam outdoors, giving them plenty of space to forage, scratch, and enjoy a natural diet. Free-range setups can make for very happy hens and even help with pest control around your property. But there are challenges too. Predators like foxes and hawks pose a risk, and chickens are also exposed to changing weather conditions. Plus, free-range systems need a good amount of space, which can be limiting for smaller farms. Now let's talk about cage-free. This setup keeps chickens indoors but still lets them roam within a secure enclosure. You'll have better protection against predators and easier climate control. However, cage-free systems do require more feed since chickens can't forage for food. Overcrowding can be a concern, and it's crucial to maintain good air quality inside the coop to keep your chickens healthy. Let's compare these two systems side by side. Free-range gives chickens a more natural lifestyle, while cage-free offers more control and safety. Free-range requires more space and may lower your feed costs, but cage-free ensures consistent conditions year-round. Egg quality can also vary. Free-range eggs are often marketed as more nutritious and flavorful, but well-managed cage-free systems can produce equally high-quality eggs. So, which system is best for you? It really depends on your setup. If you have plenty of space and want to embrace a more natural approach, free-range might be your best bet. But if safety and control are your priorities, a cage-free system could be the way to go. Think about your available space, budget, and whether your goal is egg production, sustainability, or simply raising happy hens. Here are some tips for success. If you choose free-range, invest in predator-proof fencing and provide shelter from extreme weather. For cage-free systems, make sure the coop is well ventilated and spacious to avoid overcrowding. You can also consider a hybrid approach, like giving cage-free chickens occasional outdoor access to enjoy the best of both worlds. To sum up, both free-range and cage-free have their pros and cons. The best choice depends on your unique situation. What matters most is providing a safe, healthy, and comfortable environment for your chickens. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which system you're considering, or share your own experiences. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Green Profit Cultivate, and check out our other videos for more chicken farming tips. Thanks for watching, and happy farming!